Hello traders, today I'm breaking down a trade I took after a classic liquidity sweep followed by SMT Divergence confirmation. I will show you exactly how the setup play out and why I decided to enter at the moment. Let's jump into the chart. Let's look at the overall picture. The first spin I focused on was the London session. During this session, a clear hourly imbalance was formed. Once I noticed that, I knew that I have to wait for one of two things before opening trade. Either the imbalance gets filled or there is a liquidity gap within that imbalance. It's important to understand that the market moves for four main reasons: hunt liquidity, rebalance inefficiencies, rebalance to equilibrium, and generate liquidity. So before opening any order, I always pay attention to at least these factors. In this case, liquidity played a major role, specifically session liquidity. If you look at the chart, you will notice two liquidity pools below the price from the Asian and London session that hadn't been taken yet. I understood that for the market to move higher, it would first need to strip that liquidity, so I waited for that to happen. And before New York AM session, the liquidity was taken. There was another confirmation and SMT Divergence. On Nasdaq 100, the price didn't break the swing low, but on S&P 500 and Dow Jones, the price did sweep the liquidity and broke the low. And now I had liquidity sweep plus imbalance fill on 1 hour, SMT Divergence, buy-side liquidity resting above. At this point, I had several confuses for a long setup. And when I dropped down to a lower time frame, I saw a structure break and a clean volume gap gave me a solid long entry.